Astonish Cup Clean, an easy-to-use powder for removing those stubborn stains that build upon tea and coffee cups over time. Ingrained stains that washing liquids alone can't remove. Effective cleaning in one simple action, and so easy to use. Astonish Cup Clean is a specially formulated powder that gives you the power to remove those stains in one easy action. Simply place your cups on the drainer, add a tablespoon of Cup Clean, and then add some near boiling water. Listen for the fizz as the product starts to work. Leave them to cool for a couple of hours. Rinse them out thoroughly and hey presto! Your cups will be clean and looking like new, and with no effort at all. Remember your teapot that's starting to look like an antique? Astonish Cup Clean isn't just for cups. It will make short work of those old tea stains that have been gathering for years. No effort required and sparkling results every time. Maybe it's a travel mug, a plastic pot, or perhaps an old flask. The targeted cleaning action actively removes the dirt and stains to make them look clean and sparkling new, as though newly purchased. And what about those glassware items? Cup Clean lets you clean right down to the bottom. Cup Clean contains an effective oxidising agent that breaks down the molecular structure of the stain, removing the colour and making the fragments easier to clean and remove entirely. From this to this, with little effort at all. And it won't leave behind a residue or taint. It shifts stains on steel cutlery too. Just dissolve a tablespoon of Cup Clean in a bowl of near boiling water and submerge your cutlery. An hour later, drain and rinse in fresh water and you'll find your utensils are as good as new. At Astonish, we're proud to say that Cup Clean, like all our products, is not tested on animals and contains no animal ingredients. So if you have better things to do with your time than attempting the impossible, grab a tub of Cup Clean and bring your cups, teapots, flasks, glassware, in fact, almost anything with a stain back to their brand new sparkling self. Astonish Cup Clean restores your cups and more to like new. Check out the Astonish website to find out where you can buy yours. Astonish, the pinnacle of cleaning.